shut his beat, bitch.
Hi, it's Ross from VIS Electrical. Commercial lighting is another one of the key electrical services we provide. In this video, we're going to take a quick look how we helped our client to transform this empty warehouse into a fully functional indoor cricket practice facility with our LED high bay lighting installation. Let's take a look. When our customer first contacted us, we went in there, had a look. It was just an empty shell, brand new warehouse unit. He has just signed up a lease, and he wanted to transform this warehouse unit into a indoor cricket play facility. So we had a look, done a complete survey. We sit down with the customer, had a chat about his requirements to find out exactly what he's planning to do to make sure we get the correct lighting design and the installation for his requirements, and done a full design layout. Work was approved, he wanted to go ahead, and then we started the work. So one of the key parts of the installation is actually the cable tray work up in the ceiling, which has taken a bit of time to get everything cut and installed. We used a galvanized cable tray system up in the ceiling. We had to use powered scissor lifts and some scaffold tower system to get access because of the high ceiling. So the cable tray part took us nearly about 3 days to do the complete cable tray for the entire warehouse area, and then we start doing the running all the cables and installing the light fixtures. So when it comes to controlling the lights to turn on and off, we've got a contactor lighting system in place, and we wanted to give more flexibility to the customer in terms of how he can control the lighting for this area. So we split in each lane, we split the lights into every other light will be on a one switch, and then the next set's on another switch. So there are 3 lanes, and they've got 6 switches to control these lights. They're all running through a contactor system, and that gives extra flexibility for him to save energy and also to better control lighting as and when he requires. So in addition to the main play area, he also have office and kitchen, toilets, and a customer seating area. So we had to do all the electrics for them as well. So this is it. This is the complete installation. It came out really well. Customers well pleased with the standard and the quality of the installation, and also the amount of light these high bay light fittings produce. Is well impressed. So yeah, another happy customer for us. So at EIS Electrical, we provide a wide range of commercial lighting for our clients, from warehouses, manufacturing, dispatch, retail, preschools, and all sorts. So we also have special lighting installations for petrol stations for their canopy lighting. We do a number of canopy lighting installations. So if you have a new premises that you've taken on and you're looking for an electrician to come out and give a quotation for some lighting work, feel free to give us a call. We are more than happy to come out free of charge and do discuss your requirements and provide you with a quotation for your lighting installation work. Simply give us a call on the number below. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.